we ever gave a thought to these questions? What if I have lots of money to buy a food but can't eat it? What if I have lots of money to buy costliest bungalow but can't stay in it? What if I have lots of money to tour the world but can't travel? What if I have lots of money to buy products, in fact costliest products, but don't get bliss? What if I have lots of money to spend but no such reasons to? What if I have achieved lots of money by compromising my peace, my good health? Sad to disclose this. This kind of money earned is a curse and not the boon. Because life is not how many years you have lived, but how many years you have lived a healthy life. We must understand this, that just earning money is not the solution for all our problems in life. How different it sounds when I say I have lots of money to buy anything that I want, but don't know whether I'll be able to utilize it or not. We seriously can't buy happiness from money. For real bliss, one must gain peace of mind and a wonderful physique. The day you respect the body given by the Lord and maintain it by your own efforts, you will be definitely enjoying every taste of life. And if you don't, you can't afford it by any means. So please remember one thing. Wealth is not the way to achieve success in life, but health is the first and the ultimate priority of every successful man on this planet. And this even shows respect towards Lord by preventing the pure body as it was given to us. Health is not just what you see with your naked eyes, but in reality, what do you feel from within? This has become a trend today that people follow more to that what can satisfy your eyes, but really not what can satisfy you from within. Because if you satisfy yourself, remember, we will be never late to wake up from a deep sleep of illusion. And one more thing, money may be a one reason of a successful man or a one feature of a successful man, but money really cannot buy happiness. It can buy the utilities for us. It can buy those products which is in a use. Maybe a physical need satisfaction, but not inner soul satisfaction. So money may be a need of human, not the ultimate need of a human being for to be a successful person. This is what I want to actually explain you about real health. So remember, health is the first priority of every successful man. If you understand this, if we all together understand this, the world will be the happiest than what it was before. Hey guys, thank you to watch my video. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and share it.
3, 2, 1.
Health is not what, but yeah, maybe a physical needs. And if you don't, you can't afford it.
3.
And this even shows respect towards Lord.
बस नहीं वापस हाँ
इसकी बात कर लूँ? नहीं रहेगा।
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1 लेते हैं?
हाँ
3, 2, 1.
हाँ
Have you
चले.
ever give a thought to this question? What if I have lots of money? Yeah, by compromising my peace, my good health.